In this video, Ethereum is hinting a big move with its latest price action as we are currently seeing this massive falling wedge. And on top of that, Bitcoin is right now consolidating. Let's give an update with those Bitcoin and Ethereum price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you an update with the Ethereum price action kasi 'di ba kay Bitcoin right now we are not expecting any big moves kay Bitcoin but ang gusto ko pag-usapan ngayon is this Ethereum price action. And binanggit ko to actually sa Instagram ko, sa IG channel ko kung ano ba yung next na pag-uusapan ko and that's Ethereum. And right now I want to show this next move na nagpo-form ngayon kay Ethereum and that is this falling wedge. And para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, a falling wedge is traditionally a sign of a bullish movement. So whenever now we are going to see this sign, it usually tend to have a upward trajectory back to the previous high ni falling wedge. And on top of that, if you're going to look at the RSI, we are also forming a falling wedge so kay RSI. So it's actually forming two different signs dito ngayon kay Ethereum na nagsasabi na meron tayong potential bullish movement. But is this going to form a new Ethereum all-time high? Well, I don't expect a new all-time high, but rather I am expecting Ethereum to go back around the $3,930 level, roughly around that area. So in this case, we are expecting Ethereum to go at this level. But provided now we are seeing a Ethereum by volume. Kasi right now we are not seeing any Ethereum by volume. So if walang by volume, then this can lead into a fake out. So as much as possible, if you're going to open a long position, make sure to set a stop loss just below the point of breakout. And going back sa mga previous Ethereum price action, you can actually see now we have actually formed that similar falling wedge dito kay Ethereum. You would see na that has also played out last summer wherein we saw that massive falling wedge dito kay Ethereum. And ang kagandahan niyan is that played out a bullish movement kasi nagkaroon tayo ng buy volume. So right now, the only thing that we are not seeing right now with Ethereum is buy volume. So that can still lead into a fake out. But the moment na magkaroon siya ng buy volume, then guys, I think we can see Bitcoin or actually Ethereum go back to the $3,900 level provided na Bitcoin doesn't make any significant dump as of the time being or massive move to the upside. So ang mangyari dapat kay Bitcoin is it should consolidate for the time being dito. It should move sideways kasi if it moves sideways, then that could mean na right now the market can actually shift to Ethereum, then that can be a good thing for us to see an Ethereum pump. But if let's say ang nangyari dito kay Bitcoin is bumagsak siya tuloy-tuluyan, then yeah, this can negate this and this can lead into a fake out at lalong babagsak si Ethereum if let's say Bitcoin decides to go down massively. So right now, there are two things na you have to follow. Number one is the Ethereum by volume. We have to watch out if magkakaroon ng Ethereum by volume. And the other thing is you have to watch out if Bitcoin is going to consolidate or going to go down. Kasi, of course, that's what we mentioned. When Bitcoin is consolidating, that is a good thing for altcoins, especially Ethereum. But if it's going to go down, then that can lead into an Ethereum dump. So as much as possible, that is what we are going to follow. And looking at the Bitcoin price action, let's also give you a quick update. Let's look at the RSI. You can see na right now, the RSI is not actually indicating any significant move dito kay Bitcoin. So that is a good sign na we are going to consolidate. We are going to move sideways with Bitcoin. And looking at this, at any patterns, you can actually try to check dito. Wala tayong na-form na kahit anong pattern kay Bitcoin. So right now, we don't expect any significant move kay Bitcoin. So that is generally a good sign for Ethereum to make a move. So right now, that is what we're going to monitor kay Ethereum. If you want to learn these indicators na pinapakita ko sa inyo, meron tayong Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to start trading, especially kay Ethereum, and if you want to trade with the lowest fees possible, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit. Kasi kay Bybit, sobrang mura ng trading fees nila as compared to other platforms like Binance and other types of platform. So yeah, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below if you want to claim of up to $50,000 of bonus. So yeah, make sure to sign up with our sign up link that you can find in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.